Hi guys, welcome back to IFX Academy's daily analysis on pound USD guys. Yesterday guys we were selling this, we hit our target. So the question remains guys, what are we going to do today guys? For today, as long as the price stays above 1.3661 guys, I am bullish because I have structure, bullish structure. I cannot deny that, and my target guys would be 1.36968. Okay guys, and once we break below 1.36583 guys, we will be going for 1.36322. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair, and see you guys tomorrow. I think that's it for today. Okay guys, I could add a second bearish target as well because the trend looks like bearish, but okay, so I will go for 3616. Okay guys, take care and see you guys tomorrow.